How do you say cheers in Irish? When you are traveling in Ireland, you might wonder how to say cheers in Irish. This is a fun phrase to know, especially when you are enjoying a drink with friends or locals. The Irish word for cheers is slánta, which translates to health. This phrase is commonly used as a toast, much like saying to your health in other cultures. To pronounce slánta, say it like slánka. It is a simple yet effective way to connect with people during your travels. Just imagine raising a glass and saying slánta while surrounded by the stunning Irish scenery. It adds a personal touch to your experience. If you want to make your toast a bit more special, you can say slánta is tante. This means health and wealth and is pronounced as slánka is tánche. It is a lovely way to wish good fortune to those you are sharing a drink with. Using phrases like slánta can create a friendly atmosphere when interacting with locals. It shows that you are interested in their culture and can lead to more engaging conversations. Whether you are sipping a pint of Guinness or enjoying a glass of Irish whiskey, saying slánta can help you connect with the people around you. In addition to slánta, you might want to learn a few other basic Irish phrases. For example, go raibh maith agat means thank you, and comgerdias means congratulations. These phrases can help you navigate everyday situations and make your interactions with locals even more enjoyable. Remember, learning a few basic Irish phrases can greatly enhance your travel experience in Ireland. It not only shows respect for the culture but also adds a fun and authentic touch to your social interactions. So, the next time you raise a glass in Ireland, do not forget to say slánta.